Hey everyone, I'm Rick and welcome back to the channel. If you're a beginner wanting a drone that's lightweight, shoots stunning 4K video, and is super easy to fly without needing registration, then you're going to love this. Today we're reviewing the DJI Mini 4K camera drone combo. This compact drone features a 4K UHD camera with 3-axis gimbal for stable footage, intelligent QuickShot modes for cinematic clips, up to 31 minutes flight time per battery, 10-kilometer transmission range, automatic return to home, and under 250 grams, so no FAA hassles for recreational use. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want a drone that's perfect for aerial photography, vlogs, or family fun with high-quality video and simple controls, this is the one that'll get you flying high. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break down the features on the DJI Mini 4K camera drone combo. This drone has a foldable, ultralight design weighing just 249 grams, making it pocket-friendly and exempt from FAA registration for casual flyers. The camera is a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, capturing 4K video at 30 frames per second and 12-megapixel photos. Stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal for smooth, professional-looking footage, even in wind or during movement. Flight modes include QuickShots like Drone, Circle, Helix, and Rocket, that automatically create dynamic videos by flying in preset patterns while focusing on you. Battery life is up to 31 minutes per intelligent flight battery, and the combo kit includes 3 batteries plus a charging hub for over 90 minutes total flying time. Transmission is via OcuSync 3.0 for a 10-kilometer range with 1080p live view on your phone, ensuring stable control. Safety features are solid, with forward obstacle sensing, GPS for precise hovering, automatic return to home if battery low or signal lost, and geofencing to avoid restricted areas. The DJI Fly app connects seamlessly for real-time editing with templates, music, and effects, plus sharing to social media. It's wind-resistant up to level 5, and setup is quick. Unfold, pair with your phone, calibrate, and launch with one tap. Priced around $300 for the combo, it's durable with propeller guards and a 2-year warranty. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are soaring. Crisp 4K video with gimbal stability that looks amazing, beginner-friendly quick shots for effortless cinematic shots, generous 31-minute battery with extras in the kit, reliable 10-kilometer range and safety returns, ultra-portable design ideal for travel, and the app's editing tools for quick content creation. Users rave about how it's perfect for newbies, the video quality, and the value without needing advanced skill. On the con side, obstacle sensing is only forward, so be careful with sides and back. No side or downward sensors for full avoidance. The app can drain phone battery during long flights, and wind resistance isn't the best for gusty days. A few mention wishing for more manual controls, but overall, the pros dominate for casual users. My recommendation? Absolutely, go for the DJI Mini 4K camera drone combo if you're starting out. And the pros like easy modes, 4K video, and portability make sense for you. It's perfect for hobbyists, travelers, or anyone wanting aerial fun without complexity. Before we wrap, if these reviews get your drone dreams buzzing, hit subscribe for more gear guides and click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and scores you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a friend who wants to fly, or subscribe for more. See you next time.